This is tram, Australia's most widely used public transport. Public transport is a form of transport that is available to the public that charges a set price and it runs on a fixed route. In order to get into the tram, you need to first wait for it to stop. And then you press on this button to get into the tram. So you need to tap in the card to enter this tram. Okay, these seats you cannot sit on these seats because these are the priority sitting. Only elderly women or disabled or pregnant women can only sit on these seats. Please do not sit when you see elderly women or a pregnant women or anyone coming and sitting here.
The next stop is Royal Adelaide Hospital. Exit on the right in the direction of travel.
You can choose to sit in any of these places. Make sure that this is a public transport, so we have to keep it clean as much as possible. If there are no space available to sit, so you can stand holding onto this hand. First you need to stand here. And then press the button. Benefits of using public transport. For example, 4 of your friends are going for play, maybe in a playground. So if 4 of you use 4 different cars to go to the place, it consumes a lot of fuel, which means energy like petrol and other things. You can face traffic jams, and then it takes a lot, it becomes expensive for you to go. So if you use a public transport, for example bus, train or tram, it is going to save some cost. At the same time, it's going to reduce traffic jams, hence less pollution will be caused to the environment. Everyone, try to use public transport as much as possible because this will save our environment.